Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mazda 6. It's a 2.2 diesel sport, finishing absolutely lovely pearlescent red. It's got the front park distance control, graded alloy wheels, keyless entry, privacy glass. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. It's got rear park distance control as well, with a reverse camera, twin exhaust. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. We just bring the cars out here to video and take pictures of, but they are all kept in a indoor showroom. Boot area is in lovely condition. The rear seats do come back. I'll fold back, sorry. Lovely full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. Start the car up for you. We've got the heads-up display that comes up there. It's an 80,984 miles. Got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, a lovely leather steering wheel here, 6-speed gearbox. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, home screen there, all done by the iDrive here. We've got USB holders. This is in lovely extended leather there. It's really great value for money. At DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.